Pet Nook storage solutions hide bowls, food, and gear in small homes while keeping everything accessible and tidy. Start by sizing the space and measuring your pet items so every built-in functions without interference. A pull-out pet feeding drawer mounted on full extension soft close slides keeps bowls at waist height for filling and cleaning while hiding them when not in use. Leave at least 2 inches of clearance around stainless steel bowls to prevent rattling and add a silicone mat to catch spills. For multi-use seating, a bench with a flip top or hinged front panel can house a sealed water reservoir and gravity or simple pump dispenser that vents to prevent pressure issues, and line the interior with a removable, washable tray to manage leaks and odors. Install a shallow cabinet with an integrated food bin and an included scoop tethered on a short chain or clip to prevent cross-contamination and make refills quick. Choose a rigid, food-safe container with an airtight gasket to protect kibble and reduce pests. Use vertical wall space for built-in leash and collar hooks mounted at different heights so items hang without tangling and are within reach when heading out. Consider a small ledge above the hooks for keys and waste bag rolls. If you have an under-stair cavity, convert a section to a pet door leading to an internal cubby with ventilation holes and ambient light. Include a removable bed pad and a secure latch so the space stays comfortable and easy to clean. People commonly forget to allow ventilation in enclosed pet storage, which can trap moisture and create odors, so always add passive vents or a small battery-powered ventilator and choose washable linings. Another frequent mistake is inadequate clearance for food bowls or dispensers, which causes spills and makes cleaning hard, so mock up the drawer or bench opening with cardboard and test bowl placement before building. A third issue is using materials that absorb odors or stain easily, which leads to persistent smells and a tired look. Select non-porous surfaces like laminate or sealed wood and use removable liners that can be washed or replaced. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and ideas for home integrations like pet nooks. On our site, we connect contractors looking for work with homeowners and host a discussion community where users share plans, tips, and photos.